can speed up the process, and part of really influencing a sale, I find, is letting the seller know that you can move quickly, you've got the right power team in place. What are some of the things we can do to speed up that process?
All the documents up front, so that we've got everything on file, we've got information about the property, we know if it's a flat, what sort of flat it is, how many bedrooms it's got, you know, if it's got deck access, if it's ex-local.
Okay.
So as much information about the property as possible.
Well, obviously, products are the things we hear, obviously fixed, the discounts and tracker rates, and they're the products. There's actually only, regarding types of mortgages, there are only two types of mortgages. The two types are very simply interest only, which you just said, obviously, where you're
just the interest,
you're servicing the debt, you're not repaying the debt at all. At the end of the 25-year term, you still owe the amount you originally borrowed because you've just been servicing that debt. The other type of mortgage is a repayment mortgage, where obviously during the term of the mortgage you're actually repaying that debt. So at the end of the 25-year term, you don't owe the bank anything.
What about back-to-back? It's a term that the Americans use a lot, and over here we see more of. Can you expand on back-to-backs?
Definitely. It's generally, obviously, for investors buying generally buy-to-let properties, where they may be able to buy a property at let's say, the true value of the property is that they're buying at £150,000. But as far as they're concerned, they believe the true value to be £175,000. Let's say. Now, bear in mind, most lenders will only lend a percentage of the valuation or the purchase price, whichever is the lower. So if you're buying at £150,000, the lender will only lend you, let's say, 85% of 150.
Even if it's worth 175.
Even if it's worth 175. Because you're buying at 150. So in that instance, what you can do, there's a few lenders out there who are very happy to do a quick remortgage. It needs to be proved to the lender via accounts or via payslips that can obviously determine the fact or
the amount of borrowing
it's affordable. However, if you do it on a commercial basis, i.e. let's say you found a plot and you want to build 8 flats on it, that again is slightly different in that the loan to values on purchase might not be as high.